In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message yourself in Slack. This is a simple but very useful productivity trick. When you send messages to yourself in Slack, you create a private space that works like a personal notebook. It's great for drafting messages, saving quick ideas, storing important links, or uploading files you want to access later from another device. If you use Slack throughout the day, this can become a very convenient place to keep things organized without leaving the app. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your web browser. Once Slack is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Direct Messages section. In that list, Slack usually places your own profile near the top, and you'll see your name followed by you in parentheses. That label makes it easy to identify your personal direct message space. Click on your name to open it, and that will take you into your private chat window. If you don't see your name in the sidebar right away, don't worry. There's another quick way to open the same space. Go to the top of the sidebar and click the New Message button, which looks like a square with a pencil icon. In the To field, type your own name. You can also type the email address connected to your Slack account if needed, and then choose your profile from the suggestions that appear. As soon as you select it, Slack will open your personal chat window. Once you're inside, click into the message box at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can type a note, paste in a link, or drag and drop a file directly into the conversation. When you're ready, press enter to post it. That message will stay there in your private space, ready for you to come back to whenever you need it. One especially helpful tip is to pin important items. If you send yourself something you know you'll want easy access to later, hover over that message and click the 3-dot More Actions icon. Then choose Pin to this conversation. That keeps key notes, to-do lists, drafts, or links easy to find at the top of the chat, which can save you time when you're working quickly. Also, it's worth knowing that this personal direct message space is private. Other team members, admins, and workspace owners cannot view or search the notes, snippets, or files you send to yourself there. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.